So what is a USP for your business, and why should you take time to create one? Now the short answer is that a good USP will grow your business. If you're a business owner, chances are you've heard the term unique selling proposition, or USP. Now in this video I'll explain what it is, how to use it in your business successfully. Okay, a USP is your unique selling proposition. Obviously, I said that before. It's what makes your business different and sets you apart from the rest. A good USP can make all the difference in how well you do in your industry. It works like this. Rather than telling customers what you do, tell them what you will do for them. To the general public, everybody in your industry, well, they all kind of seem the same. You know that that's not true though. Determining what makes you unique, what your differences are, and what sets you apart so the public will know how they will benefit from doing business with you is what a USP does. So for a USP to work, a magical act of transformation must take place. Think about your product or service. Now features, they've got to be turned into benefits. Now a feature is anything you have designed into the product or service, and a benefit is what the customer gets out of it. Now a feature may be useful in its own right, but it's not of a compelling interest to a customer in and of itself. The benefit is, as this is the solution to a customer's problem. So tell your customers how you can ease his pain or solve their problem, and they will buy from you. Now this presupposes that you understand the problems of your target market and have a solution. Now I'll link a video in the description below with more information about target market and solutions to problems. Customers, clients, people, they will not use you unless they're going to get some kind of benefit from your product or service. So you have to clearly and succinctly tell and show them how they will benefit from doing business with you. Now let's have a look at some typical USPs. Now most of the ones that you'll see around the place fall into one of these main categories. Number one, low price. Pretty obvious, guaranteeing the lowest price has been used as a USP for many businesses. However, cutting profit margins too deeply is really healthy for a business. Now there are of course many examples of businesses that have adopted this USP and survived, even prospered. The philosophy is simple: low margins, high volume. Second one's high quality. Now the high quality USP is based on a high margin, lower volume philosophy, directly the opposite. Now this USP is often found hand in hand with other USPs such as the best product, superior service, or guarantee of quality. So number three, superior service. Now in today's marketplace, you have to add value. Simply providing customer service is not enough. Providing superior customer service is a wonderful way of adding value, as well as developing long-term customer loyalty. Now good customer service, well, that's expected by everyone. What I'm talking about here is things that go above and beyond the type of customer service usually found. Maybe free installs, help desk, etc. So the fourth is size and selection. Being the biggest in your market or providing the largest selection of items in your niche can be a powerfully effective USP. Convenience. The convenience USP is based on centering your business around your customers' needs. By removing as many obstacles to ordering, receiving, or using your product or service as possible, you're placing the customer's convenience at the center of your business model. Number six, knowledge, advice, being a recognized authority in your industry. Now this USP works well for professionals and other skill or service-based organizations. This USP says, I'm the top person in my field. You can trust my knowledge and experience. Number seven is kind of maybe variety. It's customization or most options. Giving your customers more options or custom building your products to their specific needs and specifications works well for a USP, especially when compared to your mass market competitors. Number eight, speed. The speed at which your product or service is delivered can be a powerful USP in today's fast-paced environment. Offering guaranteed overnight shipping as a standard service can give you a strong competitive advantage. Originality, being first, the very first, the only one, the innovator. Sometimes your product is so new and unique, the product itself is a USP. Now, unfortunately, in today's competitive environment, this type of USP is very short-lived. Before too long, a competitor will emerge with a knockoff or a copy of your product. However, until then, promote the newness and uniqueness of your product as your USP. When the competition heats up, switch your USP focus to being the original, the first. Being the original or first mover in a market is a USP that, well, no one can duplicate. Strongest guarantee. Now, most customers assume a company will stand by their product or service, but a clear, strong guarantee turns that assumption into something they can be assured of. But with the level of competition out there today, you'll need to make your guarantee stand out from the crowd. Now, this is an area that you can differentiate yourself from your competition. Make your guarantee so strong that when compared to your competitions, well, your customer would simply be crazy to go elsewhere. All right, so those are USPs. But how do you create your own USP? Well, you need to make sure your USP is simple and clear. Your USP should be able to fit into 1 or 2 sentences. The easier it is for customers to understand what makes you different, the better chance you'll have of them buying from you. Next, be confident in your message. If people don't believe you offer something unique and valuable enough for them to spend their hard-earned money on it, well, why would they? So be honest about what sets your business apart from others in the same field, because this will help establish trust between your clients, your customers, your consumer, and yourself, as well as other business within your industries. In addition, being honest means not selling people false promises. Instead of offering something tangible like discounts off future purchases or free shipping options instead. But hang on, is a USP really needed? Well, yes it is. A USP is a great way to stand out in a crowded space. It gives you something that your competitors don't have. It can help you attract more customers by differentiating you from your competitors, as well as increasing conversions. In other words, making more sales. Revenue, sales, that's what we're here for. Your USP is what makes your product or service different, better, or more valuable to a consumer than anything else on the market. Therefore, it is more likely that that same customer will buy from you rather than your competitors. So another good use of a USP is to use it as part of a networking presentation. Now, it's a great way to gain clients in a networking situation. Now, if you want to know more about how to successfully network with your USP to get paying clients, have a look at this video. I'll see you over there. Until next time, thanks for watching.